In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and manually apply credits to invoices in QuickBooks Online. This process will give you more control over how credits are allocated, which can be particularly beneficial if you deal with multiple customer invoices and want to ensure each credit is applied correctly. Let's dive into the steps. Begin by logging in to QuickBooks Online. Open up your preferred internet browser like Chrome and navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once there, enter your login details to access your account. This is a crucial starting point for managing any transactions within QuickBooks. With the main dashboard open, the next step is to access the Customer Center. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. Here, click on Sales and then select Customers. This section is where you manage all interactions and transactions with your customers, so it's an essential area for today's focus. Next, you'll need to select the customer whose invoice you want to work with. Scroll through your customer list and click on the customer's name to open their profile. This profile page gives you a detailed look at all the transactions associated with that particular customer, helping you stay organized. Now let's review the open transactions for your selected customer. Check for any outstanding invoices and available credits. This review is an essential practice because understanding what's pending and what credits are available will help you make informed decisions about the payments you're processing. Moving on, it's time to manually apply credits. By default, QuickBooks Online automatically applies any available credits, but you can override this to have more personal control. When you're in the process of receiving payments or applying a credit, make sure not to select the option that allows QuickBooks to automatically apply the credits. Instead, on the left of the screen, click on the plus new button and then choose Receive Payment. Once you've accessed the Receive Payment screen, select the customer and specific invoice you wish to pay. You'll see a section labeled Credits appear. Here, uncheck any credits that you don't want QuickBooks to automatically apply. This action allows you to decide which credits should go to which invoices, giving you the flexibility to apply credits exactly where they're needed most. After you've made your selections and adjustments, it's time to save your work. Click Save and Close after manually applying the credits. This step ensures that your changes are stored and all entries are properly updated within your QuickBooks account. By following these steps, you'll have the ability to manage and allocate credits more effectively, keeping your financial records precise and well organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.